बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पेज नंबर 50 से। द इमेजेस बिटवीन f and 2f real inverted smaller than the object b object at 2f object 2f f 2f image. The image is at 2f real inverted the same size as object. Physics insight diverging lens always has the same ray diagram which forms a smaller image. See object between f and 2f object 2f f f 2f image. The image is beyond 2f real inverted larger than the object the object at f object f. No images are formed because the refracted rays are parallel and never meet. Approximation the thin lens formula assumes the lenses have no thickness. This is a good assumption when objects and the image are far away compared with the thickness of a lens. Image object f the image is behind the object virtual erect larger than the object. For your information, the study of light behavior is called optics. The branch of optics that focuses on the creation of images is called geometrical optics because it is based on a relationship between angles and lines that describe light rays with a few rules from geometry. We can explain how images are formed by devices like lenses, mirrors, cameras, telescopes, and microscopes. Optics also includes the study of the eye itself because the human eyes forms an image with the lens. Image location by lens equation in figure 12.26. Let an object OP is placed in front of a convex lens at a distance P. Ray P are parallel to the principal axis. After a refraction passes through focus F, another ray PC meets to the first ray at point P after passing through the optical center C. If this process is repeated for the other points of the object are real and inverted image OP is formed at a distance Q from the lens. Thin lens image object. What is the size of an image formed in a lens of a particular distance of object from the lens? What is the nature of image? Example, whether image is real or imaginary, erect or inverted. Lens formula is a tool that we use to answer all such questions. We define lens formula as the relation between the object and image distance from the lens in terms of the focal length of the lens is called lens formula. 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. Question 12.4 question 12.4 is valid for both concave and convex lenses. However, following sign conventions should be followed while using this equation to solve problems related to lenses. Sign convention for lenses: focal length f is positive for a converging lens, f is negative for a diverging lens. Object distance p is positive if the object is towards this left side of the lens. It is called a real object. P is negative if the object is on the right side of the lens. It is called a virtual object. Spectacles, magnifying glass, slide projector, microscope, binoculars, cameras. Image distance Q is positive for all image made on the right side of the lens by a real object. Q is negative for a virtual image made on the left side on the lens by a real object. Example 12.5. A person 1.7 meter tall is standing 2.5 meter in front of a camera. The camera uses a convex lens whose focal length is 0.05 meter. Find the image distance, the distance between the lenses and the film, and determine whether the image is real or virtual. Solution: to find the image distance Q, we use the thin lens equation with P is equal to 2.5 meter and F is equal to 0.05 meter. 1 hour Q is equal to 1 hour F minus 1 hour P. 1 hour Q is equal to 1 hour 0.05 meter minus 1 hour 2.5 meter. 1 hour Q is equal to 19.6 meter minus 1 hour Q is equal to 0.05 meter. Since the image distance is positive, so a real image is formed on the film at the focal point of the lens. Example 12.6. A concave lens has focal length of 15 cm. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 cm from the lens? Also find the magnification of the lens. Solution: a concave lens always forms a virtual erect image on the same side of the object, given that q is equal to minus 10 centimeter, f is equal to minus 15 centimeter, p is equal to what, using this lens formula. यदि आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, हमारी वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना जरूर मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू।